Welcome back. We have uploaded an MP4 video here into Microsoft Clipchamp. We're now going to add it to the timeline in order to add features to it. One thing that we can add to any video, in addition to the template, or in addition to music, as you have seen in previous videos, is you can add specific elements of stock video. And you can find these elements here in this area. You can then search for specific stock videos that you're looking for by using the search. Now you're going to notice that some of the elements are going to be available to you in the free version. Others are only going to be available to you in the premium version of Microsoft 365. So if you find one that you like and you hover over it, what you're going to do is you can add it to the timeline where you want the actual clip. You'll notice here that this clip has now been added to your video. And if you want to play it to see how it's going to look in your video, you can play the video. Now, if you want more details about the clip, you can click on top of the clip and you'll be told about what the clip is actually going to do. You can then add the clip to your timeline. The clip can then be added. If you want to move it, you can move it. Now, in each clip, what you can do is you can click on top of the clip. And what you'll notice is that there are going to be elements here on the right side that you can customize. So for example, you can fade in the clip. You can filter the individual clip. You can adjust the colors of the clip. And you can adjust the speed of the clip and how it appears. And so each clip is going to be available for you to customize for the video that you are creating. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.